For almost 35 years, Dri Eaz have created and manufactured a formidable range of restoration and maintenance-free dehumidifier units, and have also contributed a number of firsts to the industry with their snail shell air mover, inter-air drying systems, industry-specific moisture detection instruments. It's little wonder Dri Eaz are trusted around the world to assist with commercial-level tasks. Their diverse range includes impressive dehumidifiers, air movers, and drying systems for use on water damage restoration and industrial maintenance work. With dehumidifiers boasting up to 71-litre capacity, Dri Eaz also have solutions which could assist those experiencing flood damage. To speak with an expert about your dehumidifier needs or to learn more about Dri Eaz, please contact us at Dehumidifiers UK, where we are happy to assist you in finding the ideal solution for your needs.